At the 2025 Paris Air Show, Delair showcased two innovative versions of its DT46 tactical drone, significantly expanding its operational capabilities with new propulsion technologies. One model features a rechargeable hybrid electric system, developed alongside French propulsion specialist ascendants under the DOCHR program, while the other is powered by hydrogen, aligned with European Commission defense initiatives. The hybrid DT46 DOCHR combines electric propulsion for quiet, energy-efficient low-speed flight with conventional power for rapid maneuvers, enhancing mission flexibility. This configuration targets extended endurance, increasing VTOL flight time from 3.5 hours to over 5.5 hours through in-flight battery recharging enabled by Ascendance's Sterna hybrid module. Qualification flights are planned in Biscarrosse, with delivery to the French Defense Procurement Agency, DGA, scheduled for later in 2025. Its improved range and speed also make it a promising candidate for maritime patrol roles, potentially replacing some missions currently conducted by patrol vessels. Since 2024, the French Army's Section Technique de l'Armée de Terre, STAT, has been evaluating the DT46 to accelerate field deployment of tactical drones. Two systems comprising airframes, ground stations, and antennas were supplied, undergoing tactical trials focused on performance, maintenance, and logistical viability. Designed to support artillery units, the DT46's dual propulsion allows vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, with 3.5 hours endurance or longer fixed-wing flight lasting about 7 hours. Communications are secured with AES-256 encryption and anti-jamming, providing reliable control up to 100 kilometers. Compliance with NATO's STANAG 4609 video standard ensures interoperability with combat systems like Atlas and Scorpion, managed via the versatile Draco ground control station introduced at Eurosatory 2024. In May 2025, the French Gendarmerie Nationale announced plans to integrate the DT46 into its surveillance operations, following successful trials by its medium-endurance drone experimentation section, SEDAIM. The drone's long endurance and rapid deployment capabilities are set to enhance reconnaissance over vast or hard-to-access areas, aligning with efforts to modernize aerial assets using domestically produced technology and strengthen operational autonomy. Beyond defense, the DT46 has been employed in civilian sectors. A notable demonstration occurred in January 2024 when Canadian nonprofit Ecogene 21 conducted a 150-kilometer flight delivering medication and collecting biological samples in remote locations for decentralized clinical trials. Supported by regional aerospace organizations, the project underscored the DT46's payload capacity, endurance, and adaptability to challenging environments, highlighting UAV's potential to improve healthcare logistics. At Intergeo 2024, Delair also revealed the DT46 LiDAR variant developed with Yellowscan, combining advanced LiDAR sensors and high-resolution RGB cameras. This setup facilitates precise topographical surveys, infrastructure inspections, and security mapping with rapid deployment and modular payload options. The drone meets stringent beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) standards and operates reliably across a wide temperature range and in strong winds, making it suitable for diverse mission profiles while remaining transportable in standard vehicles. Founded in 2011 in Toulouse, Delair currently serves over 70 countries and aims to become Europe's foremost drone manufacturer by 2030, building on a €10 million revenue achieved in 2023. The DT46's evolving configurations underscore Delair's commitment to versatile, dual-use UAV solutions tailored to both military and civilian needs.